Welcome to this engineering haven, where knowledge meets innovation. The man behind the scenes? That's Mahendra Singh, a seasoned scholar from NIT Agartala, with a rich history of teaching mechanical engineering at esteemed institutions like IERT, MGIMT, and SITM. Mahendra's not just an ex-professor, but a dynamic professional, skilled in delivering lectures, developing content, and strategic management. His knack for problem-solving, coupled with strong communication and public speaking skills, have made him a sought-after educator among engineering students. With his robust engineering background from NIT Rourkela and proficiency in tools like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, ANSYS, and MATLAB, he brings a unique blend of practical and theoretical expertise. Armed with an M.Tech in production engineering and 4-time GATE qualification, he's here to share his wealth of knowledge. So subscribe, ring that notification bell, and join this journey of engineering enlightenment. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep engineering your future.